Hello and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. This is one of my mini tutorials on how to change yarn color for your amigurumi. There are different ways to do it, but most of the time I prefer this one. In this case, I'm crocheting the head of a colorful amigurumi cat and I want to change from ecru color yarn to gray color yarn. The change of color starts in the stitch before we want to use the new color. Start making a normal single crochet. Insert your crochet hook and yarn over once. Then, before the second yarn over, instead of the ecru color yarn, attach the new color, in this case gray. Pull through and complete the single crochet. Now cut the yarn tail in ecru color and make a knot. Continue crocheting with the new color yarn in gray. If you have to change color and make a decrease at the same time, the steps are the same. Before you complete the decrease stitch, attach the new color yarn and pull through. Cut the first yarn tail, make a knot and continue crocheting with the new color yarn. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. See you soon!